G'day everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing a cryptocurrency project called Phore. Now this is a sponsored video. The developers reached out to me and it looked like a decent project. However, I can't possibly cover all the nitty-gritty details of Phore and Graphene, so I'll make sure to put links in the description for you to do your own research. Now, as usual, this is not financial advice, just highlighting some information about this project. Now, especially given the volatility of the current market, this might be one to add to your watch list and see what happens with the price over the course of this cycle. That being said, let's get looking into Phore. First up, let's look straight at the price. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and you can see it's trading at 19 cents. We've had a bit of a market correction of late, so this coin has acted accordingly. But if we look at the overall chart dating back to Jan 18, you can see where that bull run really hit, and it got to a price of $8, which is kind of crazy. Came back down and has been in limbo until this bull run, trading at about as low as 6 cents. Then it got, if we zoom in on the 1 year chart even, there was a bit of a spike here. There must have been some news of some sort, almost that it hit $1. But then it's kind of come back down, but it hasn't completely crashed. It hasn't gone back down to 6 cents, which is not a bad sign. So it's kind of just tracking the market. If you look at the Bitcoin charts and Ethereum charts, it looks kind of similar, just trending down over the last 7 days. We got a market cap of 4.6 million. I saw a video on Phore that was made a month or two ago and it was 11 million. So this might just be a good project to hold at a good price. Add to your watch lists, wait till the market comes down to where you think is the bottom, and then this might just be a good coin to pick up and make some gains from. Looking at the website, pretty clean website. We'll go straight to their vision, which is to enable the transfer of value across an accessible, standardized ecosystem that's secure, flexible, and scalable. So they want to have reliable and quick transactions. So one thing would be to compare how quick their transactions are to similar projects. Private and transparent. Okay, there's privacy and transparency options. Rewards for participating. A decentralized marketplace, similar to eBay, but decentralized. Decentralized applications, etc., etc. They've got some strategic partners, and this is really cool on their website. They go through all the steps and what percentage of the way are they through in their roadmap. So if you are holding Phore and you're worried whether they're progressing, you can just refer to this and see just how far along they are in their roadmap. So that is a pretty nifty feature of their website. Now this is their marketplace, buy and sell. So from this I get it similar to eBay, and look, you can buy and sell all of these things: music, games, video, short-term rentals. They're trying to become like an Amazon that also does Airbnb, and you know, it's a lot there, but I'm sure as they tick along they'll decide what's working and what's not, and they might focus a bit more. But if this all works, then good on them as well. So no platform fees at lower prices. Sell whatever you like. So that's just one of their little projects on their ecosystem. They are across all social medias. There is a Phore blockchain wallet, and they've been seen on all of these media outlets, which at least makes you think they're somewhat reputable. We've gone through the roadmap. They're all over Twitter if you want to follow them, and they've also got an extensive Reddit where they post a lot of their information. They did an Ask Me Anything session, the CEO. Just in general, their Reddit page is full of information. Now, speaking of CEO, it is Mike Triscoe. 25 years of experience, co-founded a startup which sold for $650 million, and he's worked with numerous Fortune 100 clients. That already is a strong team if you've got a strong leader like him. But you can read more about it on this Be in Crypto website. Be in Crypto article. Okay, so the good thing about holding Phore is they also have Graphene, which is a cryptocurrency on their ecosystem. Now, this will be airdropped to you for free. So there was an airdrop. They're going to do different snapshots. And if you held Phore as at March 14, they would have airdropped you Graphene. But then they did a second one on the 11th of April, and then I believe they did a third one in May, but there's going to be another one as well. By holding Phore, you also will get Graphene. As it says here, there will be 6 snapshots taken. First, March 14th, April 11th. I believe there was one on May the 5th, and that means there's going to be another 3 airdrops, and you get 1.66 Graphenes for each Phore you hold. So what is Graphene? Well, Graphene is a superior smart contract platform trying to compete with the likes of Ethereum. Be sure to check out this Medium article for full detail. So this is the team, very transparent with who they are. You can go on and, for example, I looked at the CEO on LinkedIn and all his information is there. So it's always a positive when the team is very transparent about who they are. A lot of these meme coins, you don't even know who is running them and they can rug pull, but this is very transparent. That's a check from a team point of view. Now, what you need to know, just some technicals around Phore. So Phore enables the transfer of value, which we talked about, buy and sell goods, the eBay thing. Their focus is on both wholesalers and end customers. The marketplace will get integrations like a decentralized exchange. More cryptocurrencies will be added in the future, and exchange listings are planned. Very experienced and successful CEO, as I showed you the CEO as well. Talented developers. Now, here is the interesting stuff. They've covered that during the bear market, they were covering their costs through consulting services. So this just shows that it's a very educated and impressive team. In 2019, Ethereum requested from them to use parts of their Phore code for Ethereum 2.0. So if you are an Ethereum maximalist, then you need to pay attention to Phore. Julian Meyer is the core developer and was approached by Justin Drake. An agreement was reached. And you can also see that Julian Meyer was invited to take part in Ethereum BLS calls, and in those calls were Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. So it is a well-connected, strong team. And since that time, they were looking for a solution to the problems Ethereum had, and that's what led into Graphene being launched. So until the release of the mainnet, Graphene will be a BEP2 token after the airdrop, which can be then traded on PancakeSwap and Binance. And with the release in Q3, Q4, Graphene will run it on its own code and exchange listings will follow. For further information, check out their communities, join their Telegram group, follow them on Twitter, and even if you don't feel like buying right now, I know we're in a bit of a correction in the marketplace. This is definitely one to jump on, follow them, watch the price. If you feel we're getting to the end of this correction, this might be one to think about investing in. Anyway, guys, I hope that was a good introduction into Phore and Graphene. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. But that will be all for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.